The Maxsa Park Right parking mat signals you to stop your car before hitting walls, bikes, mowers, or trash cans in your garage. The parking mat is easy to install. Position the mat at your ideal parking spot. Then use the included heavy-duty tape to keep the mat in place park after park. The parking mat helps you perfectly park any type of vehicle. Whether it is a car, SUV, van, light truck, or even a golf cart or RV, you'll park in the perfect spot. Now you can use your remaining garage space for storage and organization. After you hit the first hump, the second larger hump signals you to stop. You'll know you are parked right. Use the Park Right parking mat to get the most out of your garage while protecting your car and belongings from parking mishaps. Available in black, red, and yellow.
Introducing the Waylens Secure 360 4G, a breakthrough in automotive security. This innovative system utilizes dashcam features while you're driving and activates advanced security sensors when parked. With an amazing single lens, Secure 360 produces a true 360-degree field of view, capturing everything going on inside and outside your vehicle. So here's how it works. Secure 360 actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. When motion or impact is detected, the camera will immediately record video to the micro SD card. High-speed 4G data delivers real-time alerts and live streaming through the Secure 360 mobile app, so you'll see the full story as it unfolds. Automatic uploading of the event video to the cloud keeps evidence secure, even if the camera is stolen or disabled. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter, rideshare services, or families with young drivers. With the Secure 360, you can document an accident, locate your car quickly with a GPS map, preserve your driving record, or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company. Protect your vehicle with the Waylens Secure 360.
Ostrich Pillow Loop, the ultimate eye pillow. It provides a cocoon to rest where you want, when you want. Ostrich Pillow Loop's smart design allows you to put it on easily and catch some good recovering snooze in total blackout isolation and absolute comfort. And once you're done, you can conveniently carry it with you. Unlike conventional eye masks, Ostrich Pillow Loop delivers a unique comfort experience thanks to its ergonomic form, microbeads filling, smooth external fabric, and elastic closure which adapts to all head sizes.
No, this is a device. It's called the Stinger. If you're ever in an accident, your seatbelt, you can't take it off for whatever reason, come undone.
It's
you
stuck.
need to cut it quickly. It goes right across.
And that's
boom,
pretty
now
impressive.
you're out, right? Your car is off the road. You're in water. Your car is sinking or whatnot, or you need to bust a window. It's hard to break car glass.
Yeah.
Unless you have one of these. Super easy, and bam. It's
Wow.
that quickly. This is what I love about this device. You've got USB ports waiting there for you to charge your phone.
Exactly.
So this will always stay within your reach. And in the event you need something, it's going to be held within that spot. You always know where to grab to get it.
The Magic Creeper is the most versatile creeper ever. Its patent-pending design is a breakthrough in creeper technology and the only one of its kind available. The unique tubular shape acts like a track moving along endlessly. The super slick inner layer acts like millions of tiny ball bearings for effortless movement even on rough or uneven surfaces. The high-strength, durable outer layer is puncture, water, and oil resistant. The resilient middle layer provides comfort, insulation from heat and cold, and protection. This patent-pending 3-layer construction makes the Magic Creeper the most versatile creeper ever. The Magic Creeper comes with integrated straps for quick and easy retention for storage. The Magic Creeper's versatility eliminates the problems common with conventional creepers. Conventional creepers are bulky and awkward. The small size and light weight of the Magic Creeper is easy to store or take along. The Magic Creeper has the lowest height of any creeper available, getting you into otherwise inaccessible places. The Magic Creeper has 0 ground clearance. Uneven surfaces are no problem. The Magic Creeper won't get stuck in gravel, soft surfaces, or obstructions. The Magic Creeper won't scratch expensive floor finishes. The Magic Creeper stays where you put it. It's easy to get on or off the Magic Creeper and it can't tip over. The Magic Creeper has room for your tools so they're always within reach. There's no wheels or other parts to maintain. The Magic Creeper is oil, grease, and water resistant and it's easy to clean. And the Magic Creeper has many additional uses for the car, RVs, and around the home.
Let me go. Let me go. Sunshine, let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
So get the most versatile creeper ever, the Magic Creeper.